Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the DPI level for your ROG Gladius II Origin. So to do this you need to get the Armory Crate program from the Asus ROG website or look it up in any search engine. Here, move to the devices, select the mice. Now we can move on to the performance and here adjust the DPI. There's two levels which you can change. Also in the settings you can adjust the cooling rate, button response time and angle snapping. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.